Welcome back. In this video, we're going to create the function that solves the quadratic equation. Here, I'll remove this binding variable and I'll pass it to the primary constructor. I need this binding variable to access the views of this layout from edit text to the result text. Under this variable, I'll create function solve equation, and this equation function will take the view as a parameter, view parameter, because I'm going to execute this function from the XML file, because I'm going to use data binding with this equation. Make sure whenever you create any new function and you need to execute it using data binding, you need to pass the view as a parameter. Now, I want to convert the strings to integers. I'm going to get the strings A, B, and C from the edit text, and the edit text input will be in form of string. So I need to convert this string into an integer in order to execute mathematical equations and functions. I'll create variable A equals to A dot toInt. A is referred for this getter for this variable, and toInt is a function called on this string A to convert it into an integer. The same I'll do with B and C, so B dot toInt and var C equals to C dot toInt. The second step is to calculate the discriminant. The discriminant D or delta equals to B squared minus 4AC. To create it here in coding, I start with var discriminant equals to B times B minus 4 times A times C. The third step is to find the solutions or the roots. I'll create two variables, x1 and x2, and I'll start checking for the discriminant value. Discriminant greater than 0, then there are two real roots and two distinct roots for our quadratic equation. So when calculating the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, when d greater than 0, the discriminant greater than 0, the quadratic equation has two real roots. If d less than 0, the quadratic equation has no roots. When d equals to 0, the quadratic equation has a repeated root. One root, but double root. And the general solution for the root is x equals to minus b plus radical b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and x equal to minus b minus radical b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let me implement it here. x1, which is the root, the first root and the first solution, minus b plus math dot square root. Math dot square root is a general function that is commonly used in Android development and in Java in general and Kotlin to calculate the square root of a given number. This method takes a single argument, which is a number for which you want to find the square root, and it returns a double value representing the square root. So if I pass, for example, 25, the square root of 25 is 5. So its returning value would be 5. Here I want the first root is minus b plus radical the discriminant over 2a. So b squared minus 4ac represent the discriminant. Square root of the discriminant over these values over 2 times a. Here I need to change data type of this roots, x1 and x2. I'll change it to float, is good, and float here. Also, you can change it to double in order to prevent any possible error. And here I need to convert the discriminant from integer to double. You can use directly to double method. Also, I can get rid of math dot and I can use directly the square root function. And you can choose kotlin.math. In the same way, I'll create x2 equals to minus b plus minus square root. The plus sign is replaced by minus sign. The square root of this quantity, and this is good. These are the roots. Now we're going to display the results in the text view. I'll use the binding object that it is passed here. I'll make it as var and I can access it. Binding.textView result text equals to x1 equals to x1 variable plus comma x2 equals to x2 variable. So here I am displaying the roots. Second possible state of discriminant is less than 0. So else if the discriminant less than 0, there are no real roots. So binding dot result text equals to no real root dot text. Set it to no real roots. There are complex roots. Okay, it's very simple. And the last state, if discriminant is equal to 0, there is only one real solution. It's called double root. So x1 equals to minus b over 2 times a. This is the solution. And here I need to convert it to double because this is an integer. And here binding dot result text view dot text equals to x equals to x1. These are the 3 states of the discriminant: greater than 0, less than 0, equals to 0. This is how we solve the quadratic equation.